Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D. News time once again. I see the boy, ladies and gentlemen, I saw with the drop on for now, right here. All right. The matter when we want to talk today now about these people, what they call the same government of APC and the evil things when they happen in that country where they call Nigeria. And this man, what they call Shehu Sani, when be senator from Kaduna State, don't come out. They talk about the insurgency, the insecurity in northern part of the country. The man they talk see, in fact, now cry, that one they cry now, when they talk see, man, they don't know waiting that man, one they call on our president, they do. Because the whole northern region, see the herdsmen and the Boko Haram, the raping, the kidnapping, everything they there. See, they don't invade them, finish. But sometimes Funkidi they wonder, see, why this somebody like this man now go they complain when we say him na senator. And na them they make law. And na them still they into the government. That's why sometimes if you see all these people, both the PDP people and the APC people, they know what they are doing. Because you cannot be inside government and you go they complain. Now all of them be the government. All of them they do what they do. So why you no go raise that alarm in Senate House? Say, man, let us find how or see how we go talk to this man when be the president of the country to see how we will take solve the problem of this Boko Haram when not the end and the herdsmen people. Not be only that man, they talk about waiting APC government they do, them plenty, including Wole Soyinka. That one don't talk, see, he say number one person when start this thing. Nah, this man what they call OBJ. OBJ not fit do anything. He can't call Goodluck Jonathan. Say Goodluck Jonathan not fit do anything. Constantly call this man when they now. When we see the man time now are the worst ever. Buhari, aka Aminu al-Sudani. So because we know say all these things then they happen. And when we they talk people will feel like it go they do like say they don't know waiting we they talk. Nigerian government need to listen to people. Nobody when they talk good about Nigerian government in that Nigeria. Nobody when they talk good about this Buhari's government in that country. And Funkidi wonder why Uno still allow this man. They travel up and down. Uno still allow this man go back to the office after killing thousands for free, for Sarah. So, no aspect when that man what they call Buhari, they try. Nowhere when this man, would they say this man, they do better thing. Okay, now that they talk about, say, people, they die everywhere. Then say that one, they commission something in Lagos State. Now commissioning, now him we want, we want security, ladies and gentlemen. Waiting we want now security, not about people writing Buhari travel here today, Buhari travel there tomorrow, Buhari is 9 travel past the whole president in the world, 9 be this, 9 be that. We don't need that one, ladies and gentlemen. We don't need that one. Waiting we need now security. Waiting we need now good system. Waiting we need na electricity, good road, good water when people go to drink. Share you get. Now, this year, Husani don't come, I can't talk, say, all the whole northern part of the country don't destroy finish. They don't invade everywhere. In con they talk, say, the place where they know, say, operate before, I mean, the kidnappers, they operate before, na Niger Delta. Now, I'm the man talk. In a Niger Delta, they hear that thing before. But now, they think they rampart in the northern region. I mean, the northern part of the country. They blast Buhari, say what in Buhari and his government they do. Nobia. The killing when they not part of the country. Nobia. Even that British woman now when I say them killing, when Rhino or Mokari don't attack this man, what do they call R5. The R5 when make that body bag statement, say if foreign observer come, say then go see themselves in body bag. The statement now when that man make now they take the attack and say this thing won't happen to this British woman. Maybe now because of that statement when the man make, that is the RFI, when they talk say if foreign observers come, say they go back in body bags. Now they don't use that, they accuse and say now because of that statement when he make, now he make them kill that white woman, that London woman, British Nigerian woman when they killed last time. Now Rhino Mokari, now they accuse them of that one. So this is to show you that the insurgency in northern part of the country not be small thing, not be only northern part of the country. Even in the eastern part of the country, in the southeast. The ones themselves, what they do in southeast, now the one when we say, even in that place what they call Port Harcourt. All these things they Nigeria because our government not they try. All these things they Nigeria because people when they into government now money then sabi to carry. All these things they Nigeria because these people they not like Nigerian people. That is why every time from Kidi they tell us see this government when they not like Ona. We not need them. Even PDP, we not need them. How government go dey in place? All these things they happen. How government go dey in place, ladies and gentlemen? All these things them. All these evil things they happen. If Nigerian government hand not dey all these things when they happen, ladies and gentlemen, it no go happen. Then go stop them one hand. But because say then they use them, they deceive Nigerian people. Because say then they use them to they distract Nigerian people. That is why you see this thing still they happen in that country. If government hand not dey into this thing, traditional rulers, governors, ministers, if their hands not dey inside all these things when they happen in that country, ladies and gentlemen, you will never ever see that this kind of thing they happen. But as far as their hand dey inside, you go see this thing will they continue to dey happen until Nigerian people will make up their mind to bring changes or to bring good government come into that country. And if you do not take time, ladies and gentlemen, when they shout APC and PDP, when that never meet una family or never meet una no go change mind. Like that woman, where they call when do that in that time, una see it be like say the thing touch him. Now he can come out, on the talk. That woman when she interview Jubri, Amino, Sudani, and Atiku Abubakar. It touch him. And gentlemen, that woman no go come out. So una when they jubilate because of this foreign person when they there, he never meet una. Now until when he go meet una go begin to the reason fine. Because if something never meet you, you no go begin to the reason fine. When that thing don't meet you, you go know what you do to yourself and to your family. So the woman don't claim say that governor, the governor of that state, not they try for his people. The woman don't claim say Buhari government not they try for Nigerian people. Now, Wole Soyinka don't come out, don't talk, see, the people when spoil Nigeria there, when make Nigeria day the way when it did. Number one person, now OBJ. The world know that one. After OBJ come mention this man, come talk about this one they call Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Say that one not try. And Funky D say he not try. In fact, if to say Goodluck Jonathan try, Buhari for not they do, or they, we for not see anybody what they call Jubri Aminu as Sudani. But sometimes Funky D see Jonathan they come and they talk say in do all this is when in do for the freedom of democracy in Africa. Now democracy go get balance. But at the end of the day, democracy in Nigeria now don't die because of this set of APC people. When Goodluck Jonathan allowed them to hijack that country. Because Funky D say even that Goodluck Jonathan time, now they make me the talk say Goodluck Jonathan not try. In fact, somebody like Wole Soyinka don't tell him not say not try. They don't tell Buhari say Buhari not they try. Because it be like say Buhari not be Nigerian president. It's just that those ones just did that they do their own thing. Even that time when the thing when carry Buhari come back to government, you see, the same thing when these INEC sick people do. Now him then do that time of Jonathan for Buhari for Hausa people. They still rig that one. Rig Jonathan come out. The whole president when they on board. They rig Jonathan come out because Jonathan head not they down. Because Funky D here see that one. See now Ogogoro, that one they brush him out every morning. And they take the clean him out every morning. Then they call him Ijo Ogogoro, you know? Now so them talking. So because if to see that man stand firmly, we for not see all these kind of things when they happen now. So everybody they call say Jubri Buhari not they try. The whole world don't know say Buhari. In fact, Okorocha himself don't they confirm him. But from Kidi no say all of una na Wayo people. Both Okorocha, both Atiku, both Jubri, both APC, both PDP. All of una na the same set of people. We no go trust una. We never trust una. We no go vote for una. We will never vote for una. We no go ever support una. Because the things when una did they do, not be the things when the masses they expect from you people. A different thing when we expect, a different things when we they see. When Nigerian government then they do. You can imagine where somebody like Chris Ngige go they talk say make doctors, make them go if they won't go. They not send them message. They not send you message. You can imagine when Asha Buhari go they talk say she won't go build university in the name of Muhammadu Buhari. When that same woman don't tell us that man when they there not be Buhari, which Buhari you won't go build a university for? You don't come tell the world, see the person when they there not be your husband. See now other people hijack the power. That same power you see there inside. Now you they come out, they open mouth, they talk say you won't come build university for Muhammadu Buhari. When you don't tell the world, see not be Buhari they there. You understand? When you don't tell us, say, not be Buhari did that. Many people don't talk, say, not be Buhari did that. Now, you they come and they tell us, say, you won't go build. I not blame, for getting not blame on that. The people, when they blame, now the Nigerian people, the masses in general. Not be the people when they into government now, because now when be the masses, when quiet, they look these people. Because over how many years now? PDP 16 years, then Buhari, they go 4 years now. Very soon the 4 years go finish. That is how many years of slavery. Slavery. Bondage. Now in PDP and APC people keep Nigerian masses and they do like say people when not reach 1,000 people in the government, the whole government of Nigeria, they not reach 1,000, and then they deal with 200 million people. What a shame. You know, not see the way when these people rise up, the Sudanese rise up. I say now the masses, the youth of Nigeria, now them with the blame. We not the blame government. Again. Funky D. Funky D. Thank you, everybody. If you never subscribed before, please make sure you begin subscribe to my channel. If you never press that button, that best sign, make sure you press the best sign so that anytime when I upload, you'll get my video. And make sure you continue to the comment. Anyhow, where you be, when you be. Thank you and bye. Funky D.